Welcome everyone. This is a brief update on my AC barn find adventure. If you saw the end of my previous video, you will know that I was not keen to revisit. It was getting both depressing and tiring after seeing the level of vandalism. Leo and I decided to try and salvage a few small spares, partly because customers have been expressing interest in certain items. When we arrived, we saw the entire yard was covered in 6-foot tall nettles, plus all the other shrubs and brambles that have grown.
Well, this is where we used to go through, but look at it.
Yep.
Wow.
The Blue Morris Minor is almost hidden.
That's just a bit of stuff here, but nothing too major.
We spent the first half an hour cutting our way through to the Buckland and the four-door saloon.
What do you want to do?
A quick look in the garage housing the Triumph Roadster. That's a boot trim panel, but unfortunately it's damaged. Aha, an AC overrider. I'd previously thought they'd both been stolen. I still couldn't find the other one. I did also find some keys, but none of them fitted my petrol filler cap that I described in the previous video. Back outside, Leo is busy removing the accelerator linkage from the Buckland. This is what I'm after, a clutch pedal with no noticeable wear. The fixing is behind, so I'll have to work by feel to remove the split pin and pivot. A different seat adjuster from the two-door ACs, since these seat cushions don't lift up. Just what my AC needs, it is missing its grease gun. That's the later 2-volt type of engine mounting. Okay, back to the job in hand. Hold on, we need to freeze frame this discovery. I'm holding a rare brass radiator cap. They are rare because most ACs were upgraded to quick release caps, and only a minority, including mine, have retained these lovely brass ones. I had just found this by digging my fingers through the deep wood dust on the floor of this AC. Even more amazing was that a customer had recently asked for one of these. Much to my surprise, the split pin came out. the aluminium casting to mount the distributor.
Well done.
Oh, even got a gasket.
I think it's reusable.
The A-pillar is now completely hollow, no timber left in the lower half.
And there's nothing there at all in the pillar. Amazing, only 4,000 miles on the clock.
Yeah.
Is there any more buried treasure on the left-hand side? I was expecting the mirror to be shattered, having been knocked out of its holder, and now I need one for my AC.
Found some more bits in the back.
A thermostat with a heater takeoff fitted under the housing. Every heater installation I see is different.
Is this with the takeoff for the heater on? Thermostat.
Oh yeah.
Interior light. That's a rear bracket for a wire mesh stone guard, although this one is damaged. It was 28 degrees C, about 82 Fahrenheit in the shade, but we were working in the sun. We only had limited time, so I quickly salvaged the door cappings from the left hand side. The right hand ones had been damaged. Back at home, here's the brass cap after a quick clean. Removing the accelerator pedestals from a linkage salvage last March. These are firmly seized, but I've soaked them in Aerocroil. And finally, the mirror glass after a clean. Not perfect, but way better than my old mirror. That's all for now. Hopefully some updates on the AC Greyhound soon. Many thanks for watching.